All right, welcome back to another live stream. Let me send out the tweet here so everybody knows we're live. Welcome in, everybody. Happy Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon or evening, depending on where you are in the world. Let me send this out real quick. All right. Send out this on Twitter. Welcome in, everybody. Hopefully everybody's great. Let me send this out. Hopefully everybody's getting notifications. I know that's been kind of a struggle. Make sure you guys hit that bell notification so you know you get those notifications. All right, let's send out that tweet. All right, I just got a notification, so that's good. Hopefully everybody else is getting notifications too. And we'll send that out. Hey, what's going on? How you doing, DY? Herculetus. I like it, man. Herculetus, what's up, man? That's a great name. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome. All right. So we're going to talk about SHIB, of course. We're going to talk about the entire market. I'm going to talk about an interesting video that I saw talking about a particular date that we should be aware of. So we're going to talk about that. Hey, Dan, how you doing, man? Sahil, hey, how you doing? Master Elf, Hector, how's everybody? Hello, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Morning, Todd, how you doing? How's everybody doing this morning? Hi, Christian. Hey, Sean. Good morning from Houston, Texas. Nice. Guys, I'm noticing a lot of new faces here, maybe. I think there's a lot of new people just popping in. Or maybe you're just commenting for the first time. Let me know if you're new here to the stream. Welcome in. All right, y'all know the drill. When you come in, hit that like button for me. It really helps out. Takes like, 0.2 seconds. Totally free. Helps us out tremendously. Hey, Aries, how you doing? Yo, what's up? First time commentator. Nice. Nice, Herculetus. So you've always been listening, or listening for a while, but first time commenting. All right, cool. Very cool. All right, did a video on this yesterday. We're going to talk about the Voyager giveaway. This is pretty cool. I think this could bring some more people into SHIB. The people that might be on Voyager that see this retweet or see the tag. I think this will be interesting. I think this could help out the SHIB price over time. Now, this contest is taking place all the way until the end of the month, so this is pretty cool. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet. Me and my brother buy SHIB and made him curious about it. Nice, Sahil. Why is Shiba down? We're going to talk about it, Raza. We're going to talk about it. What's up, Michael? How you doing, man? Going to be 115 in Phoenix today. Hope SHIB gets hot, too. Yeah, I hear you, man. Are we SHIB billionaires? I like nice. How you doing? Thanks so much for the support. I like nice. I always see you in the comments. Appreciate that. When I say Shiba, you say swap. What's up, Daniel? Aries, been following your channel for quite a while. First time on the live. Hey, that's cool, man. Welcome in. Welcome to the first live stream. Hassan, how you doing? Shibarium is going to be the layer 2 solution. And it's similar to Polygon. So if you want to know what Shibarium is, read up on what Polygon is. It's a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. And this is going to be the layer 2 blockchain for Ethereum in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Okay? So that's going to be Shibarium, and the native token for Shibarium is going to be Bone. All right? And what we're hearing is they're going to get help from Polygon to create Shibarium. Okay? So that'll be pretty cool. Shibarium won't be an asset, okay, but Bone will be the native token. Think of Shibarium as kind of a Shibaswap, and you've got obviously assets underneath Shibaswap. This is kind of similar. You're going to have Shibarium, and Bone is going to be the native token. I love Polygon too, Herculitis. I do too, man. Brian, what's happening, man? Izzy, how we doing? Good morning, Crypto Creep. Hey, how you doing, man? Victor, what's happening? Mario, hello, how you doing? Michael, how you doing, man? Oh, the APY you mean? Not the APR, the APY I think you mean, right? All right, so we'll pull that up, actually. We'll pull up Shibaswap. Let's see here. So yeah, we are waiting to get the APY, right? We don't know how much that'll be. That's the percentage back you're going to get by staking, right? By burying. So we'll have to wait and see what that looks like. You know, if my guess is that it'll be somewhere around 5 to 10% is my guess. Look at Shibaswap all backed up too. Good morning, LJ. How you doing? Music. Is 1p really achievable, or are we just dreaming? 1p? You mean 1 cent? 1c? I think we can get to 1 cent eventually. It's going to be a while though. Okay, so if we go over here to stake, yeah, see APY coming soon, okay? APY still coming soon. So I'm guessing it'll be 5 to 10% is my guess, okay? William, thanks so much for the super chat, man. I appreciate that. Thank you and Austin for being a straight shooting, non-clickbait channel on crypto. You're welcome, man. And I appreciate you for recognizing that. We don't hold any punches. We tell it like it is. And I think that's why Austin and I have got along so well in a short amount of time, because we're not the hypey, you know, everything is great and hype. It's going to explode, you know, 12x tomorrow. Like we're not that channel. But we're also not a FUD channel either. You know, we're straight shooters. We tell you how it is. And I appreciate you recognizing that. And I appreciate the super chat, man. Thank you. Happy Saturday to everybody out there. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Mario, Professor Tupac, I like it. Biggs, what's your take on the Pi network? I like it, Biggs. It's pretty cool. I haven't used it yet, but I hear that you can basically mine cryptocurrencies on your phone, right? Sounds pretty sweet. Definitely want to check it out soon. So what's up from Baton Rouge in the chat? What's up, Craig? How you doing, man? Looks like Shiba's down right now. Yeah, it is a little bit, but I'm not worried about it. I'm not selling. It's down to the 7-8 level. I'm not selling. Yeah, I'm not selling. Shib going to stay down for a couple weeks? Probably. Yeah, probably. We're waiting on that next big catalyst. You know, the next big catalyst is going to be Coinbase. Okay, in my opinion. Unless we get like, you know, something out of left field, like if an eToro, you know, comes out of nowhere and just adds the asset out of nowhere. That would be awesome. I think that'll happen after Coinbase, though. Herculitis is staked for 3 months. Nice. Yeah, I appreciate that. I like nice. Appreciate you recognizing that. Do you want a link? I mine it. Biggs, that's really cool. Yeah, I mean, you know, you could share your link with me on Twitter. I haven't used it yet. Oh, speaking of links, guys, I did add my Coinbase and Crypto.com link. I've never really done that, but they are in the description. So they're both referral links. Both Crypto.com and Coinbase link is down in the description, as well as the Patreon link. And I will add that to the chat here in just a second. Welcome in, everybody. So we are going to talk a little bit about everything. So big event tonight we're watching is the, I know a lot of people will be watching this, and we're going to talk about this on stream too, and what it does to the Crow coin. I don't know if it'll pump it in the short term. I bought some Crow coin. I'm planning on buying more, okay? I know we've been talking about that over the last few days. For those of you just kind of tuning into the channel, or if you haven't been able to tune in the last couple days, the Crow coin is something I just bought into, and I know a lot of people here in the community have, simply because Crypto.com just partnered with the UFC. And the Patreon link is now pinned up there. They just partnered with the UFC, 10-year, $175 million deal. which is just crazy. Crazy to think about. I think it's going to be a great partnership. I really do. I think it's great for crypto across the board. You know what I mean? But especially for the 90 assets that are listed there, SHIB being one of those assets on Crypto.com. So, you know, I think it'll be big. I think it'll be big for SHIB, but I especially think it's going to be big for the Crow coin, and that's the coin on Crypto.com. That's their native token. So we're going to pull up that token and just kind of take a look at that, and we'll be talking about that throughout the stream, as well as SHIB, as well as the overall market. We'll be doing live Q&A. You guys know the drill. If you've been in here, you know how it goes. So I've had Crow for a while. Exchange tokens tend to do great in bull markets. Yes, Binance coin, right? Crow coin. Very cool. Dan, I'm planning on holding on to it for a long time. So here it is right here. Actually, it's right below SHIB. Look at that. So we'll be talking about this and SHIB. I like them a lot, both of them right now. HODL Crow, yeah, man. Different exchanges have different prices. Crypto.com has it at 802, 805. Yeah, you'll see that. Different exchanges will have it at different prices. A lot of it relates to various fees that are listed on the site. Okay. But yeah, you will see different prices on different exchanges. Don't freak out. Sometimes, you know, you'll see different prices on swaps too. A lot of people look to make like a quick buck and just see where they can swap. You know, they can buy it cheaper here and then swap it for more over there. And they can literally bounce around and do that all day and make little profits here and there. So that's pretty cool. Notice that Robinhood and Crypto.com have ETH listed at 2 different prices. What's up with that? Yeah, that's kind of just what we addressed, 2War. You'll notice that Robinhood especially is usually vastly different because of the type of exchange they are. You know, one thing Robinhood has to do is get their own wallet so you can like trade, right? Right now you can only buy and sell. And when you own your assets on, when you buy your assets on Robinhood, it's kind of weird. You don't actually own them. You're almost kind of like renting them. You don't have access to them. You can't move them freely, right? Like you can on various other exchanges. On Robinhood, and I think they'll work on this once they get their IPO all figured out. I think the next step is for them to start working on their crypto side of things. And I think they'll get their own wallet, right, where you can, you know, trade and move things around and have more of more access. And I think they'll add more tokens too. Oh, Weeble posted about the SHIB graph chart yesterday. That's kind of cool, United. Morning, Hicks. How you doing? Steak and then let it bake. There you go, Michael. The Certik audit will be released today, Jay Cannon. I haven't heard that, but if your pop said that, then I would believe him. We'll see. Maybe he has some inside scoop on it. I haven't heard anything about that, but hopefully it is. I think that's one thing kind of holding back the Coinbase listing is that Certik audit, right? I think once the Certik audit is complete, I think you're going to see Coinbase move pretty quickly, I would think. He saw Rahad said he sold all his Shiba and bought some cucumbers instead. Okay, interesting. Coinbase lack of updates is disappointing. Yeah, Michael, you know, I got upset for a little while. Like, it's been a week. I think I had a video out, it's been a week. But then I quickly realized, like, they just don't say anything. Like, they haven't even tweeted this month in July, I don't think. Like, I don't even think they've tweeted at all this month. So, it is what it is. What's up, Zenth? And then once I came across the news with Solana that it took them about a month, you know, to get all things figured out there. So that kind of gave me some peace of mind, actually, knowing that it took them a month with Solana. So Spring Lee, some people are saying the Certik audit could be done today. I'm hoping it's done soon. Hoping it's done soon. Clinton, like it up, guys. Yeah, guys, definitely like it up. Join Zach's Patreon Discord. Super bright people in the Discord. Thanks, Robert. Yeah, Robert is a Patreon member. No dumb questions, and you won't be flamed for asking things that you aren't sure about. Exactly, Robert. And guys, I'm going to put out a video today. It's coming out about noon, so right, sometime after the stream. And there's been a lot of people asking me questions about what's the Patreon, what's the Discord, what do you get, what's the difference between the levels and all that. So I went ahead and created a video for you. So if you're not a Patreon member and you want a little bit more information, I actually take you inside our Discord to show you what it's like. And that'll be coming out around noon today. So you can check that video out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And I'll definitely get back to you. Guys, you'll probably see that your comments aren't showing up right away, too, when you post on the video. I have all comments held for review right now to get rid of all the spam. All right, so that's the best way. There's been a lot of people getting their channels deleted and things like that. So right now, the best thing I need to do is hold all comments, and then I go in there and individually let you all into the comments once I see that, you're legit and you're part of the community. So don't freak out if you don't see your comment pop up right away. It will. Just give me time to go in there and accept all of those. But yeah, that Patreon video will be out later. And I appreciate that, Robert. If you want to pin my comment, mate, to save for later, please do. Biggs, just remind me later or send me a tweet, okay? What's up, San Diego? How you doing, man? Tay, what's up? How you doing? What do you think about Direwolf? They're releasing an MMO video game that you could play to earn. Any thoughts? Honest opinion? That's interesting. Play to earn. Okay, what? Direwolf's the game, right? Correct. I mean, you guys gonna have to help me out because I'm not a gamer. Direwolf's the game, right? What kind of assets are you earning, or is Direwolf the asset? Shib is listed on Webull, but not tradable yet. I saw that, JT. Yeah, it's listed there, but not traded yet. Same thing on Coinbase. It's listed, but not tradable. Right, Dan. What's up, Jeff? How you doing, man? John, yeah, definitely hit the like button on your way in, guys. Spread the Shiba love. Appreciate that, John Adams. Has anyone created a Shibarium calculator? That's interesting, Shib Elite. That would be something nice to have, but we need to know what that APY is first, right? That's what we don't have. I guess once we get the APY, we could start putting in a calculator for people, right? Maybe somebody will create one. We've got Shib Calculator already, right? You guys know about that resource? I'll pull that up for anybody new because I've talked about this quite a bit, but here it is. But for anybody who's new to the channel who hasn't seen this, I created a whole video on this. Shiba-calculator.online. So, you can kind of come over here and, say we've got, I don't know, 100. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What's that? 100 million SHIB. And our target price is 0.005. So it shows you what the difference it would be to current price and then what the market cap would have to be in order to hit that. Okay, so what is that? That's actually, oh man, that's like a 1,973,980,000,000 market cap, right? That's a lot. So for this thing to get up here, that market cap is 1.9 trillion, right? Nutsax, thanks for the super chat, man. Coming right to you. That's 1.9 trillion. Is that right? Yeah. That's like that's bigger than the overall market cap right now. Right? Which is 1.3 trillion. Now, that's why I say in order to get to 1 cent, it's going to be a while because the overall market, the overall crypto market's going to have to go up multiples for SHIB to be at a $1.9 trillion market cap. Now, that is with the current supply, okay, total tokens. If these tokens come out of circulation, all these calculations change, right? So there's a lot of variables, but it's pretty cool. If you hold your crypto for the long term, you have bigger gains. Been holding my XRP for 5 years, and I have huge gains, only getting bigger. Nutsax, thanks so much for that comment, man. There's so many people who need to hear that, and I appreciate the super chat, as always, brother. But there's so many people who need to hear that. They're new to the space. Sure, you can make a quick buck here and there, right? You could swing trade, you could day trade, but to do that and have success at it consistently, It's so difficult. There's like maybe 5%, in between 1% and 5% of people who can successfully swing trade all the time. Like, it's so hard to time the market up like that. Nutsax was in on XRP very early. XRP, or I'm sorry, Nutsax, if you would, let us know your average price on XRP. I know you've put it in a live chat before. What's your average cost per token on XRP? And when did you buy into it? Average price and when did you buy into it? And I think you're going to start to see if you can hold these things for 4, 5, 6 years, even on to 10 years. If you're into good assets, that's where the big gains come, right? Over time. Patience, patience, patience. Patient investors always win. So I appreciate that, Nutsax, definitely, man. Joe Nix, how you doing? Jeffrey, are we supposed to do with X SHIB? It's sitting in my wallet. That's your rewarded SHIB, right? You could restake it. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure you could just restake it, and your long-term rewards go up. I saw that too, Clinton. No real thoughts on it. They're scrambling. The institution and the feds, they're scrambling to figure out what to do with crypto. They know they want to regulate it somehow, but they have no idea what to do. And eventually, they're going to come to a conclusion, and there's really nothing we can do. Okay, so here we go. How about 0.0001? Now, this is interesting. All right, this would still be 1,169% gains if we've got 100 million SHIB. So a lot of people have this as an exit strategy, 0.0001. And that market cap is feasible, 39 billion, okay? And if let's start another tab here real quick. If we start looking at market cap, because market cap for SHIB has already been up to 13.5 billion at its all-time highs, okay? But we start to look at this calculator here. Okay, so that's 39 billion. If we get to a $39 billion market cap, we'd be right in here. We'd be just above, we'd be in between XRP and Cardano. Okay? So, here's Dogecoin at a $28 billion market cap. If we got back to all-time highs today, we'd be right here. We'd be sandwiched in between Polkadot and Uniswap. Speaking of Shiba Inu here, okay? Which is interesting. It's kind of cool to look at that. So this is a nice kind of, at least partial exit strategy. Let me click the right tab here. Partial exit strategy, maybe to take some profits, this 0.0001, okay? Something to think about, right? If you're holding, 100 mil. Now, what if you're holding, 500 mil? Now you're turning that 500 mil into $50,000. So let me see if Nutsax came back with that. Okay, I know he'll put it in there. I know you put it in there before, Nutsax, if you're listening. Brian, it's so much fun when you join Patreon. It's full of learning, jokes, good times, the best people on earth. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, we'd love to have you over there, guys, if you haven't joined. And you'll see a video on just what Brian's talking about later today. James, good morning. How you doing, man? United, yes, somebody did another YouTuber. Can I send you the link in private? Whoever is interested, okay? I've wrapped my SHIB over at the FEG exchange. Already made 3 million SHIB. Nice, Peter. Shoe Billionaire, yes. Definitely watching it closely, but I don't know, man. I might get into it even before this SEC lawsuit is complete. Because I think right when this thing's complete, we're going to see, in the short term, XRP run. I really do. Direwolf is awesome. Just gave 50K to a wolf sanctuary in Ohio. They are solid. Still lots of volatility, but it's cheap right now. Nice, Mark. Appreciate that, man. Just asking a question about T-Fuel. Do you think both Theta and T-Fuel will both rise together? They do oftentimes run together. Yes, MG. And you must have saw my video on T-Fuel that I put out this morning. I got in there at 34 cents, guys. So if you haven't seen that video, I did a whole video on T-Fuel this morning. I really like it. Theta, the entire Theta idea, the network, the sponsors they have already, it's amazing. I really like what they're doing, so definitely go check out that video if you haven't already. All right, guys, welcome in if you're new. We're so glad to have you, and hopefully hit the subscribe button. Guys, the other thing really important, a lot of people not getting notifications these days. Make sure you ring that bell. You hit that bell, put notifications on, hit all, so you make sure you know when we go live. Make sure you know when we put out another video. A lot of people saying, "Oh, I didn't get the notification. I didn't even know you were live." Make sure you hit that bell. That's really important. Niraj, we ain't getting anywhere near a penny without a solid burn. Well, I mean, here's the thing, Niraj. You could say a solid burn or a lot of people staking, right? Because essentially staking is taking SHIB out of the circulating supply, right? So it is kind of the same as staking. At least that's the way SHIB analysts explained it, and I thought he did a really thorough job explaining it, so I tend to agree with him. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, what are you trying to do? You're trying to decrease the circulating supply. Staking does that. So does burning. But I agree. I mean, a burning event would help, you know. Zay says he never even got any X SHIB. Okay, that's interesting. Maybe they're just backed up. Jacob, APY is the interest you'll earn back. So essentially, like for staking your coins, they're going to give you 5% back, or in this case, it might, be a little bit different. But for instance, like I'm staking my Ethereum and I'm earning 5% just by staking it. 5% of whatever money you have in. Okay. And the payouts could be weekly, daily, that sort of thing. It just depends. Peter Milan, how you doing, man? Do VET and VTHO run together? Yes, they do. But I was watching a podcast, or not a podcast, but a YouTube video yesterday with some really bright people in the crypto space. I don't know if Crypto Knight is here, but him and I were both in the live chat. It was kind of funny. I was just being a viewer. I was doing what you guys are doing right now. I was watching two people that are really smart talk about crypto, and they were actually talking about VeChain quite a bit, Mr. Junior. So, and basically, if you want to pick one of those two assets, whether it be VET or VTHO, you want to go with VET because that's really the token that powers the network. VTHO is kind of the governance token, right? So you want to go with VET. You'll have around 100K and some change. Okay, what are your thoughts on Luna? JText, Luna is looking really, really good, and somebody in our private Discord, Nutsack, and and Johnny, we're talking about Luna over there, Terra Luna, but Nut man, he put us on it very, very early. He was talking about it late last week, and it's been going up. So that's another thing, man. You get a lot of good leads in our private community. We got a lot of bright minds over there. So VET has a huge future. I agree, Crypto Creep. I agree. I love it. Guys, 4 more likes to get to 100. That's just a nice round number. So, it's totally free. Just go ahead and smash the like button for us. It's real easy. It's harmless. And let's mess around with this a little bit. So what do we have in there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 50. Or what is that? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No, that's 500,000. Yeah. All right, so 500 million. All right, so what if we put 1 billion, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now, you're looking at this 0.0001 exit strategy, a $39 billion market cap. If you have a billion SHIB, if you've got 1 billion SHIB, okay, you're going to get to $100,000 when it hits 0.0001. Pretty nice. Bryce, I have talked about the security issue, and the Certik audit report. I want to see that thing done. I mean, that is kind of a dark cloud right now. I mean, I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to be honest. It's a dark cloud, and we need to get it done. I think that's what's holding us back with Coinbase. I do. I think the Certik thing, once it's figured out, once Coinbase sees that, gets the check, I think then they'll add the asset. But until then, yeah, it is a bit of a dark cloud. I have addressed it. I talked about it in my video. I think it was titled something with Satoshi combats FUD. I think that was the thumbnail. So go check it out on the channel. I did talk about it. And that's the thing. On this channel, you're not going to get straight hype. You're not going to get straight FUD. You're going to get real analysis, right? You're going to get real, authentic analysis. So if that's what you're about, if you're new to the channel, welcome. That's what you're getting. That's what you're getting first and foremost. And so if you're about that, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you join the community. So, and let me go back over and chat. What else? What's up, Rob? I moved my SHIB, staked it and forgot it. I focus on my main portfolio and only check on SHIB occasionally. That's a good way to be, man. Keeps your emotions in check, right? Set it and forget it. Yeah, man. That's the way to be. Volume is going down right now on SHIB. Yeah, it'll change over time. I mean, it's one day, right? It's one day. Gary says SHIB Planet explains staking really nice. Now I understand better. It's supposed to go down. There you go. So Gary gives a shout out to SHIB Planet, guys. Yeah, if there's a good video out there, looks like SHIB Planet has one. Check it out. Cardano will explode soon. I agree. I agree, Bashal. What's up, Anthony? How you doing, man? Rick Ryoshi, what's up? Let's see. Did you see XLM went on a nice run last night? I did not see that, Anthony. That's nice, though. Very nice. Doggy DAO is on Shibaswap menu button. When that becomes active, that's a game changer. Jay Cannon, I have not seen that yet, but that's interesting. It all boils down to Certik. I agree, Crypto Creep. That's what's really going on here. We're waiting on Certik to be done. I think that's why Coinbase is yet to add the asset, in my opinion. What's up, Jacob? Peter Milan, thanks so much for the super chat, man. View on AXS. Apologies if you already talked about it. Okay. Yeah, guys, so if you have a question like that, I'll go right to it with a super chat or super sticker. Peter Milan, I want to say thank you, man. I appreciate you. You've been here since almost day one, man. So I appreciate you so much, dude, for hanging on this channel for as long as you have, and hopefully you continue to hang out in this channel in the live chats, man. I really appreciate you. So I cannot take the credit for AXS here. I got to give all the credit to Nut, man. Nut was on this thing early, and this thing has just popped. So we're going to read a little bit about it. Let's see here. We don't know the percentage on staking for Shiba Inu yet, okay? So Axie Infinity, ranked number 7, guys. Look how many people have it on their watch list. Over 41,000. We're going to go to their website, too, real quick and check this out. They're checking our browser. What's going on here? I am human. Oh, geez. Containing a bicycle. Sometimes I get these wrong. This is always tough. Guys, help me out. Make sure I don't miss these. We're good, right? I don't see any other ones. I think we're good. Oh, if there are none, click skip. Each image containing a boat. Oh, geez. That's a boat. That's not a boat. Look at this. It's like a trick question. Boat. Is that a boat? No. Okay. That's just a car. I think we're good. Did I get it right? No. Oh, geez. All right. Pictures containing a boat. Here we go. Let's try it again. You got to be kidding me. Can we just skip? All right. Containing a boat. There's one. That's it, right? No, there's one. Oh, there's one. Hey, we did it. We passed the test. All right, cool. Those things are horse crap. I know, right? Hi, man. Thanks for your time and hard work. What's up, everyone? No problem, Doogie. What's up, man? Okay, so Austin was telling me about this. I was talking to him about it. I mean, obviously, Nut put me on it here, but yeah, this is really, really cool. So, oh, they got their Discord too. I'm looking for like an about page. Let's see. What do we got? Getting started. All right, here. Wait. Let's start over here. Actually, look at that run up. This is in the NFT space, guys. So we're gonna talk about this because we know how bullish we are in the NFT space. Man, price change in the 24 hours, $5.31. Now you're probably killing it on this because you were in it a little while back, right? So it's a blockchain-based trading and battling game that's partially owned and operated by its players. Inspired by popular games like Pokemon, Axie Infinity allows players to collect, breed, raise, battle, and trade token-based creatures known as Axies. These Axies can take various forms, and there are more than 500 different body parts available. Aquatic, breast, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Each Axie is a non-fungible token with different attributes and strengths, and can be entered into 3v3 battles. Dude, this is so cool. This is out there, but I love it. What makes it unique? Each Axie possesses 6 out of the hundreds of different potential body parts, each of which has its own battle move. Nice. This is like Dota a little bit with that move. Unlike some other blockchain-based battling and breeding games, each Axie can only be bred a total of 7 times to help control the population of Axies. Guys, this thing has blown up. Look at this. So going back to June 22nd, look at this. It was down here at $3.61, 18 cents. Now my issue is, this question is really for Nut and for everybody else invested. Am I too late? Like, I don't want to invest in it right now because it's like going crazy. I think so, Michael Liss. I love Crow, man. It's not going to explode overnight probably, but it has huge potential over the next 10 years. I think. Immediately now with that partnership, oh yeah, it's big. Okay, so now that we know kind of what this is, here's kind of a look at the website. Kind of get an idea. Become a land baron and start your own kingdom. Okay, so you can buy virtual plots of land. That's similar to like Decentraland, right? It's pretty cool. With a separate Shibaswap coin being listed on CoinMarketCap, should they set their release that coin separate? I have not heard Shibaswap's going to be a coin. I have not heard that, Adam Smith. I don't know. Has anybody else heard that? I'm earning 3% on Crypto.com. Jade Green, staking my Shiba. Nice. Jade Green card. What's the difference between those two? Does anybody know? I'm looking at both of them. I started reading up on them a little bit, but if somebody has some insight there, that'd be cool. There's a lot of crypto games tokens out there. Each one has its own thing. Yeah, Johnny. So apparently not human. With a okay. This year's Shiba price. Joe Lennon, what's up, man? I think if we get back to all-time highs by the end of the year and we stay there, that would be a win in my book. Michael List, dude, I'm glad you found this channel through Austin, man. That's awesome. Him and I are probably going to do a dual live stream again tomorrow night. We're talking about that tomorrow sometime, maybe like early evening, on a Sunday. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. Stake my SHIB. It show me everything good, but don't whack up in the morning. I don't know. Gene, just give it a minute because it could take some time for that to update. So Jade Green requires stake of 4K Crow. Okay. And then is the other one 5K? Or are they both 4K? No problem, Peter. Thanks, man. Thank you for the super chat too, dude. JS, it's not showing my rewards for my buried SHIB. Is this normal? Yeah, you got to give it some time. I don't know when you did it, JS, but it'll take some time. It'll definitely take some time for it to update. Formerly known as Michael. Sorry, Zach. Got to sign off. Work calls. See you all tonight. All right, sounds good, man. Take care. So yeah, guys, Axie Infinity, big one. All right, so Shibaswap, the people are saying it's listed here. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Okay, but it doesn't have. So about Shibaswap, Shib, Leash, and Bone come together to create Shibaswap. No data available yet here, though. Okay. The next evolution in DeFi platform, Shibaswap gives users the ability to dig, provide liquidity, bury, which is staking, and swap tokens to gain wolf returns. That's kind of cool that it's listed on CoinMarketCap, though. Very cool. All right, y'all. Quick commercial break. Go ahead and hit that like button. Totally free. Smash the like button. Let's get up to 175 likes real quick. Over 300 people in here. I know we could do it. I know we could do it. It's totally free. Really easy. So helps out tremendously. This is neat, though. This is pretty neat. Vadim, dude. What the heck are you doing, dude? I'm hiding that message, bro. What the heck's going on with that? Okay. About to start staking my paychecks. There you go, Zay. I've had it in for about 4 days now. Okay, JS, have you tried to... That's a tough one. It should be updated, I would think, JS, by now. 4 days? Has anybody waited that long? 4 days? Jade Green gets you 10% interest. We're talking about Crypto.com cards with the Jade Green, guys, if you're just popping in. On the 4K staked, free Netflix and Spotify, extra interest on other stakes. Nice. You get 10% return. Green and purple are the same. Okay. Gotcha. Heard Certik is supposed to release their audit report today. Is this true? And if so, could this be a positive catalyst depending on the outcome of the report? Regardless, if they're going to provide a report today, I mean, I think no matter what, unless it comes back that it's really bad, I mean, it's probably going to be a good thing. Because I think that's what's really holding back Coinbase. So let me see if Certik has actually said anything about that. Let's check that out. Let's check into that. Because that would be nice. Was it Certik leaderboard that maybe has something regarding that? Okay, let's see. All right, they haven't said anything for a couple days. All right, but when we go here, I mean, I don't think they have anything listed that says we're going to do it today or whatever. I guess your pop was saying that. I don't know where he's getting that information. Maybe he's got an inside source, and if he does, that's awesome. I guess a couple people already said your pop said that this thing will be done today. So we'll see. I haven't heard anything. We'll see. Let's see. It says right here, no assessment has been done yet. In progress still on this end. I like Anchor Newcastle. Definitely like Anchor. I haven't invested into it yet, but Hicks is waiting 4 days to get started. You mean before staking? I think some people are waiting for the Certik certification to stake, and I understand that. I totally get it. Zach, do you know if anyone has created a SHIB berry calculator to work out your bone rewards for the 6 months, or is it not possible to calculate this? SHIB, we're going to need the APY. We're going to need the APY first, right? Then we could calculate it probably. Well, here's the other thing though too. I know that the weekly rewards will increase the more that you stake, but they haven't told us how much they'll increase, right? So we don't know yet. Actually, that's a good question. We don't know yet. But when we do know what the APY is and how that week-to-week process works, that will be pretty cool if somebody can put together a calculator on this. That would be pretty cool. Anthony, good question. I don't think, I've heard what Senator Warren has said about crypto regulations. I don't think anything will happen in the short term with regulations. I mean, we'll have to wait and see, but I mean, I don't think they have an idea on what they want to do yet with it. Okay. I did see that, Miguel. Your pop talked to Ryoshi. So he's saying like Ryoshi said the Certik will be done today? That's awesome. I hope it is. I hope it is. Pop said by the 21st of July it should be ready in his video today. Okay. Osama, thank you for the super sticker, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, man. The other thing is, by the 21st, you know, they're throwing that virtual party. So maybe Pop's saying by the 21st it'll be ready by then because the virtual party's that day. Or he knows something we don't know, which either way, that's cool. But by the 21st, what I've been saying here is if the Certik report is done, I think we'll have Coinbase by that date too. What I'm hoping at that virtual party, I hope it's a celebration of the 14-day liquidity event with Shibaswap, right? The post 2-week launch, the Certik audit report's done, and Coinbase is listing. Coinbase Pro is listing SHIB. I hope we can celebrate all three of those things, ideally. I mean, that's 11 days from now. So we'll see. We'll see. I hope so. Anyone wanting to stake should do it now for at least the bonus period, 800% on Bone. Right, up until the 20th, because we started on the 6th with Shibaswap. Yep. Anyone? Okay, so got that. I wish I could like twice. Appreciate that, Jacob. Yeah, guys, if you haven't liked up the stream, just do that real quick. It's real easy. Best way to give back to the channel. Obviously, subscribe to. Let me know if you're new to the channel in the comments. I'd love to hear from you if you're new. Quick commercial on what this channel's about. We're all about constant growth. We're helping each other grow our portfolios, but also growing in all facets of life. And you'll see that especially in our private Discord community, where we're having great conversations, helping each other through whatever questions we have. No such thing as a dumb question in our Discord. We help you out. Somebody's there to help all the time. Zay will tell you that. Nut will tell you that. Johnny Crypto will tell you that. Robert will tell you that. A bunch of other people in this chat who are part of our private community, they'll tell you. They'll tell you exactly what it's about. I think it's crazy people are waiting for a positive catalyst for the price to rise when we had the biggest catalyst we can ask for with the swap coming out. Well, here's the thing, Adam. I actually disagree with you, okay? I don't think it was the biggest catalyst in terms of the biggest catalyst that would impact the price going up. I think the biggest catalysts that are going to impact the price going up are new listings, like Coinbase and Robinhood. Those two would be the biggest in my opinion. And then an eToro listing, because then it brings more people into the ecosystem. I mean, heck, I think a catalyst like the UFC adding Crypto.com for the next 10 years, that's even probably more of a catalyst in terms of hiking up the price than Shibaswap. Because here, in terms of new money coming in, right? I get the whole thing with Shibaswap locking money in and helping with the circulating supply. I get all that, but it's basically just transferring money over, right? It's not new money coming in. We need new money. We need new money coming in, and we're going to get that in the form of Coinbase. We'll get that in the form of Robinhood. We'll get that in the form of eToro, right? We'll get that in the form of people going and adding Crypto.com and downloading the app and then finding Shiba Inu. Okay, so that's just my take on that. But I hear you. It's a catalyst. It's definitely a catalyst. But I don't think it's bigger than Coinbase. I've been saying that. I've been consistent with that. I've said Coinbase will be a bigger catalyst. Regular Coinbase. Once we get past Coinbase Pro, regular Coinbase will be a bigger catalyst, in my opinion. So what else we got? Vet. I like Vet too. Morning fam, go for Vet. Read my last comment, but sorry guys, I missed a little bit there. I went on a rant there. Been trying to stake for days. Need help setting up things. Hicks, definitely watch the tutorials on staking. Okay. Shib Analyst, excuse me guys. Shib Analyst has done a great job on that. But you can also join our private Discord, and I'm sure somebody else will help you out there too. For as low as $10 per month, you could join us. Dan, what's up? 40K. What's that? What's 40K? Price of what there, Dan? Sorry, I missed that. Will Shiba likely... What's up, Muhammad? What's up, Noel? Somi, I think till now, Shiba's a big disappointment. Any other opinion is just wishful thinking. Somi, I mean, if you're thinking with a short-term mindset, if you're thinking like, you know, over the past month, it's a big disappointment. Well, yeah, but if you're a long-term investor, you understand that 1 month is just a fraction of time. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, 1 month is just a snippet. So you got to think bigger. Think outside of this 1 month or 1 week or 1 day period. I mean, you got to think years down the line. Okay, at least it helps. That's what I stress. Todd P, the Discord's awesome. Appreciate that, brother. XRP suspended trading on Anchor USD. Really? Okay. That's interesting. That's interesting. Good morning. If you had to choose between VET or Mana, which would you choose? Oh, that's a good question. Okay, now I see why everybody's asking the question. That's a good question. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. This or that. Okay, we're going to run this or that question. So if you've got a this or that question, like this asset or that asset, let's do this for a while. I think this will be fun. My answer would be VET, but I like them both. I'm invested in both of them. But I like VET. All right, I think this could produce a lot of cool insight here. This or that questions. Let's fire them in, and let's have some fun with this. Mana will be our entertainment world, so a lot of people go in Mana too. What do you think of YFI? Mince, I saw you put that in there. I'll take a look at it if we get some time, man. Appreciate you being here, brother. Andy, welcome. Trying to get to everybody. Maji, how you doing? Elmore, what's up, man? Is it Zachariah, or Zachary? It's Zachary, man. That's the full name. I have seen the price of AXS, man. It's crazy. So here we go. Here's our first this or that. Okay, guys, XLM or XDC? XLM or XDC? I'm going XLM. I'm going XLM. No problem, Scott. Matic or ADA? Matic or ADA? That's a good one. Matic or ADA? It's close for me, but I'm going ADA. Close for me, but I'm going ADA. XRP or Poly? Ooh, that's a good one. New subscriber, started into crypto a few weeks ago. What's up, Rick? Then one of many that FOMO'd the night of SNL. Diversified a bit into SHIB 2 weeks ago. Rick, welcome in, man. We're happy that you're a new subscriber, new member to our community. XRP or Poly? Ooh, AMP or Link? XRP. Oh, this is going to get out of control. XRP or Poly? I'm going... Oh, man, that's tough. Going Poly. That's really tough, though. I like XRP a lot. I mean, XRP has probably more upside, but Poly's less risky. Poly's less risky. AMP or Link? Link. Link or Uni? Link. Okay, this or that. Stellar or ADA? Stellar or ADA? ADA. IQ or Raven? IQ or Raven? That's an interesting one. Very, very interesting. Yeah, that's tough. I don't know as much about IQ, so I'm going to go Raven. Kind of a cop-out. Johnny, of course, has them all. Nice. All right, that was fun. Mana or Sandbox? Yeah, let's look them up actually here. That's good. That's good. IQ. Okay, IQ or Raven. So let's see here. IQ. Let's check out IQ. IQ.cash. Okay, IQ.cash. Ranked 2,000 in the 2000s. It's 1 cent. The trading volume's actually up. This is up right now. Okay, so what do we got here? Launched in 2018. So is this crypto lending? Is that what this is? Crypto lending? Smart and simple investment in cryptocurrency, IQ.cash, is a multi-chain masternode cryptocurrency for investors, traders, and miners. Fork Dash. Users can earn rewards with masternodes benefiting the entire network and ecosystem. Interesting. %30 to miners, 6% remains on the remuneration of people involved in the development project. Okay. All right, so IQ Cash or Raven, huh? Let's check out Raven. Raven, 5 cents. It's a digital peer-to-peer network that aims to implement the, yeah, okay, designed to, I remember reading this now. Built on a fork of Bitcoin node, Ravencoin was announced on the October 17, 2017, released binaries for mining. It's a fork of the Bitcoin node. Ravencoin features 4 key changes: modified issuance schedule, block time reduced to 1 minute, which is nice, opposed to like 10 minutes. Coin supply capped at 21 billion. And a mining algorithm intended to mitigate the centralization of mining caused by ASIC software. Interesting. Let's check it. Ravencoin. I'm still going to go Ravencoin. Still going to go Ravencoin there. All right, welcome in, everybody. Welcome in, everybody that's new. We'll have to figure out a better way to do that, this or that. Let me think about that. Hey, what's up, Stone? How you doing, man? This or that, VeChain or Cardano? That's tough. Cardano. Not too tough, actually. Mana and Sandbox both pumping like crazy. Oh, yeah, guys, look at this. Sandbox is too, huh? I've yet to get in there. Man, I should have got in Sandbox. I should have got in a couple. That's all right. Look at Decentraland, though. Loving it. I'm in at 65 cents. So, sitting okay. Sitting pretty nice. Loaded, XRP, XLM, XTC. They all have awesome projects. Mana and Sandbox pumping. So where's Sandbox? Let's see. Oh man, Sandbox is 30% up. Ah, that's a gut punch. Or punch to the gut. I don't know how you would say that. Gut punch? Oh man. Sandbox is similar to Decentraland, right? Look at that thing running like crazy. Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world allowing users to create, build. So this is like a cheaper version of, but it's a different game, right? Sandbox Platform's main mission is to introduce a blockchain technology in the mainstream gaming successfully. The platform focuses on facilitating a creative play-to-earn model, which allows users, both creators and games, It employs the powers of blockchain technology by introducing the SAN utility token, which facilitates transactions on the platform. Gosh, why didn't I get into this? Look at that. What's it done in the 1 day? Well, heck, it's up 29% in the 1 day. That's what it did. Man. So yesterday, this time yesterday, we were sitting at 38 cents. Man, I missed the boat on that a little bit. But they're both pumping. Happy Saturday, Mike. What's up, man? WM, what's up? Crypto is about to go to another level. What's up, WM? Love it. Johnny, welcome in, man. We got John, or I'm sorry, Stone. We got Stone, Zay, Johnny, Verto. Oh, Everpedia. Yeah, we've looked at that. That's like the Wikipedia of crypto. It's a really cool one. I like that one too. James, if I unstake after 6 months, will I get back the same amount of tokens? The longer you keep it staked, the more your rewards will be week to week. But after 6 months, you know what? Let me look at that because there is something. I remember reading that, so it's right here. Where was that? I remember reading something about 6 months. I can't remember. Oh, here it is. Remember, you can claim 33% of your wolf returns, but remaining 67 will be locked for 6 months. Okay, so after 6 months, you should have access to the remaining 67%, is how I'm reading that. Okay. Sandbox and Decentraland. PQ, what's up, man? 407. Good morning, dude. How you doing? Thank you for the super chat, brother. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Only in liquid swap you have to worry about impermanent loss. Staking has no effect. There you go. Thanks for that, Stone. Baby Doge has a nice forecast. Just joined in. What's new? Hey, Kritika, how you doing? We're talking about a little bit of everything. We're talking about the Certik audit with Shibaswap. We want to get that done. We think once that happens, we'll get Coinbase Pro. You know, that'll be a big step for us. And then we're talking about a bunch of other assets. Just doing a bunch of Q&A, doing, you know, a walk around the park, if you will, talking about a little bit of all the assets we like. Guys, real quick, if you want to hit the like button, that really helps us out. It's totally free to do it. If we can get 250 likes here in the next, I don't know, 5 minutes, that'll be really cool. And we'll continue to stream on. So that really helps us out. Damien, hi mate. Enjoy watching your channel. Have you ever considered letting people pay for your Discord with Shiba Inu, all crypto in general? Damien, that's a great question, man. I wish Patreon had the ability to do that. I wish they had. Well, I guess. I'll have to look into that. We might not be able to do it through Patreon, but I can give you access to the Discord link. But maybe someday Patreon will have that embedded. But Damien, what were you thinking, man? Like what in particular? Like just paying in SHIB or that's really cool. Let me think about that. It's a good idea. It's a good idea. Ricky, what's up from the 714? How you doing, man? Stone, buck the baby Doge. I hear you, bro. Look at Morph. All right, Zay, let's take a look at it. What are your thoughts on Shibaswap security tests? They failed miserably. Listen, man, it's not great. It's not great, and I want this audit to be done too. Now, I'm not selling. I'm not saying I'm not spreading FUD here. I'm not freaking out, but it's not a good thing. You know, the Shibaswap security test, it's not a great thing, and I want to see what comes back with Certik. Hopefully, it gets better. I want to see the dev team a little bit more out front with us on it as well. I want some more insight and information as to what they're doing to fix that, to make it better, right? So Morph, huh? Morph. Is this another type of gaming? Why is Baby Doge coming up? Oh my gosh, Baby Doge is pumping. Look at Baby Doge. What the heck? Look at Baby Doge, guys. Pumping today. There's Morph. Weeble listed SHIB, right. Could be coming soon. I don't know though. I mean, they haven't really said anything, right, Hector? I mean, we're just speculating because they listed it. I mean, Coinbase has had it listed for a while too. Mike Jones, that's a really good question. Why can't we buy Shibaswap just like Sushi or Pancake? My answer to that is just kind of how they've set it up. They haven't set it up where Sushi Swap is an actual token. They have it set up where Sushi Swap is the bridge to the entire ecosystem where you can then purchase SHIB, Leash, and acquire Bone. So I mean, I don't know if they'll change that one day. I don't know if that'll be different if and when like Shibaswap gets bigger. But yeah, it's a good question. That's just my understanding. It's just the way they've set it up. Christine, good morning, Zach. I'm hoping you're going to Shibarium. Have a Me too, Christine. Hopefully you have a great weekend. Everybody out there, hopefully you're having a great Saturday morning. This is cool. Hanging out with you guys, drinking some coffee. I need to get some more coffee eventually. Got my water right now. Just bought and staked 1 million SHIB. Nice, Mel. Look at Axie shards today. Yeah, Ken, Axie is killing it, man. Axis, killing it. All right, so let's look at Morph. I forgot to look at this. What is this, Zay? This is interesting. Zay's always got some interesting ones. It's a non-custodial privacy protocol built on Binance Smart Chain. Interesting. So it's in privacy. So I love Monero, guys. This might be a cheaper alternative to get at something in privacy sector. It doesn't rely on an off-chain relayer. The entire protocol happens entirely on-chain. Breaks the on-chain link transparency by the... Interesting. Sorry, I'm just reading here. That's pretty cool. While the amount being deposited and withdrawn from the contract is visible on the Blockchain Explorer, there's no way to know where the amount was sent or where it came from originally. That's pretty cool. So Morph, there's another one to go check out. Morph, it's in the privacy area. Wife changing money, that's hilarious. You watching the UFC later? Yeah, Luke. I'll be watching it, man. I'll be checking it out for sure. I want to see that Crypto.com logo everywhere, man. You know what I mean? I want to see that Crypto.com logo plastered everywhere, bro. Definitely. Thanks, Christine. I'm going to retweet that. Appreciate that. Alan, what's up, man? Yeah, hit that like button, guys. Smash the like button for us. Thanks, Moonboy. Appreciate that, man. I'm gonna start retweeting some of these cool comments. Appreciate all the support, guys, on Twitter, on here, on the Patreon. You guys are awesome. Over on TikTok. You guys are awesome. Thanks, Christine. Appreciate that. XMR will get delisted off all exchanges, like all privacy coins. Big risk, Zach. Really? XMR. Okay. Well, like Stone, let me push back on that a little bit, though. Monero's been around for, that is Monero. Right? You think so, man? It's been around for a little while, though, right? Hold on, let's check that out. It'll get delisted off exchanges. Yeah, I mean, there's going to have to be something that sticks, though. It'll probably be something tied to the institutions eventually. But I mean, XMR's been on here since 2014. I mean, so it's been around for a while, right? You think? That's interesting, Stone. It's an interesting idea, but Tiger King scam. Added a few thousand crow. Nice, Crudy. That's cool. Go to your PM in Discord. I sent you something also. That's crazy, bro. Go to PM in Discord. Actually, here. You know what? Let me pull that up, Zay. Let me pull that up, man. Guys, I'm going to give you a sneak peek inside our Discord. How about that? Just a sneak peek. I won't be able to show you everything going on in here. All right, so sneak peek inside the Discord. What's up? What's up? Okay, so let's see here. Zay sent me something. Read this. I'm signing up for the ICO now, bro. What's this? Thanks, Zay. The first global lost and found blockchain network. Trezor, presents a sustainable solution to the problem of finding lost or stolen belongings through the utilization of blockchain technology. Well, I've got lost Bitcoin. Can I find it? No way. Is it? Wait, are these continuous data synchronization? Huh. This is interesting. Trezor. So there you guys go. Check this out. Pretty cool. Thanks, eh? Added a few thousand crow. Nice. Okay, how many tokens will ETH 2.0 knock out? Oh, through the burning? It's going to be over time, Scott, but it's great for Ethereum for the long-term outlook of Ethereum. All right, guys, let me show you a quick rundown of what our Discord looks like. Let me show you a little bit of what this looks like. So here's our main discussion. You know, this is where our main topics happen. Over here on the left-hand side, we've got crypto mining, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Doge, SHIB, XRP. Look at people are just all over the place here. In the chat, there's always something going on. So if you want to be a part of this cool community, come on over. We'd love to have you. And yeah, so Polygon, VeChain, Tesla. We're even talking about stocks over here. I've got one just for my portfolio that I'll update as well. So yeah, this is the private community. If you want to pop over and join us. Nutsack, thanks for the super chat, man. Sorry, driving, can't really text. People need to learn how to hold your crypto. Trust me, get bigger game. Don't look at it day to day. It'll drive you crazy. I invested in Flow and in January. Nutsack, again, man, great advice. Always long-term, man. Long-term. Long-term. Flow is moving. Let's take a look at Flow. Thanks for the super chat, brother. Appreciate you. Flow, let's take a look. Wow, Flow invested in January. Flow's ranked number 84, guys. Guys, if you want to be a part of a community where you're getting intel like this from Nutsack and company, man. If you'd have got in with Nut and back in January, look at this thing. Let's go out to the 1 year here. It is so hard not to look at it, though. Yeah, it is, Craig. Definitely is, man. But hey, dude, you know, I think what Nut's saying is basically, hey, you know, invest in good things at good prices and hold it for the long term. You know, hold it for the long term. All right, so here it is right here. Back in January, so it was roughly, you know, roughly six something, right? Back in January. So it's basically 3x'd it from right now. But this thing was way up back in April. Look at this. It was up here 35. Muhammad, bro, have some water. Okay, I will. Long term will make you more money than trading. No doubt, man. No doubt, Johnny. Trading is hard, guys. Trading is hard. I know it feels better when you have a successful swing trade. It feels great because you're like, I beat. It's like I beat him, right? Like, you know, I got him. But like, long-term investing's not sexy, but it's the best way to win at this game. It's just buy and hold and buy dips. Have extra strategies in place years from now. Baby Doge is a distraction from SHIB. It's also lame because it's an obvious ploy to manipulate people with a cute puppy. Just a sad, desperate move. Yeah, man, I know some people have made a killing on it, though, so it's, you know, it is what it is. I'm not invested in it, though. That's hot market right there, yeah. Definitely. Let's go back CoinMarketCap, see where the overall market is. Sandbox is pumping again. Yeah, we've been talking about Sandbox a little bit already. They're a France-based gaming NFT-related crypto. Yeah, they're similar to Decentraland. Decentraland's got the metaverse. They got another virtual world. It's pretty cool. So Flow and AXS. Look at Decentraland's up there too, though, 20%. So market's turning a little bit green here. That's good. Look at AXS, 155% up, guys, in 1 week. Decentraland, 40% up. Flow is 81% up in the last week. Look at Chili's is moving too, guys. Chili's is up a little bit. Engine Coin up. Stacks has been up for a while. It's up 53%. Interesting. A lot of the NFTs, guys. A lot of the NFTs, right? AXS, Decentraland, Engine, Chili's. Good morning, Michael. How you doing, man? OGN is another that's up a lot. Where is OGN? OGN. Would it be in the 7-day up? Let's see. Or maybe it's just not in the top 100. Don't sleep on Decentraland. Good project. Yeah, I agree. I'm invested in it. Day Silva, what's up, man? Bought some Doge today. Regular Doge or baby Doge? Let's see. Can anyone join your regular Discord, Zach? Yes. Anyone can join the regular Discord, man. So right here, if you want to do $10 per month, that'll get you Discord access, general support. $20 per month will give you all that, of course, but then you're going to get buy and sell trade alerts through Patreon, as well as access to our shared portfolio that we're going to continue building over the next several months and years. We're all going to have access to that. And you'll have a say-so what goes in there. We can kind of grow it together. So that's how you get access to all of that. StormX is also a good project. They're bringing out their own debit card too. Interesting. Okay. I got Chili's. Nice, Sarah. Yeah, Sarah. Chili's is up a little bit. I got some Chili's now too. Opinion on Joe Rogan coin. Wait, he has his own coin? You're kidding me. Joe Rogan coin? Does he really have his own coin, John? Is that true? Here's what I think the Joe Rogan coin will be. I think it'll be the Crow coin. He's going to pump it, I think, because he works for the UFC, man. He's huge on the UFC. I'm sure he's going to talk about that partnership at some point. He's got millions of listeners. Excuse me. How sweet would it be to someday see the Crypto.com coin right up here with Binance coin? Think it could happen? How long of a mana dip do you think we'll see at this point? What's a good buy? Well, I mean, right now, mana's not dipping. I got in at 65 cents, man. I got in at 65 cents. So, here, let's take a look at mana a little bit. And guys, if you're new here, welcome in. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. We'd love to have you join the community officially. And let me know if you're new here, if you're a first-timer. Welcome in. Like up the video stream too if you haven't already. I don't know why I said video stream. Like up the stream. Smash the like button for us. Helps us out tremendously with that algorithm. So really does. Let's get up to 275 likes. We could do that real quick, I think. And if you would, you want to share it on Twitter, that's awesome too. I tweeted about it, so any type of way you can help out with that's awesome. I know a lot of people already do that, so appreciate that. So yeah, buy land on mana. Okay, so here's what we're looking at with Manda, right? Where are we at? So yeah, like the 30-day low, it got down to 37 cents. 90-day low is 37 cents too. So You know, that would be a good spot, obviously, for Mana, right? Like down below 40 cents. Okay. Look at the 52-week lows of like 3 cents, right? All-time highs 163. I mean, I got in at 65 cents. So somewhere in between the 90-day lows and highs. I'm pretty much like sandwiched in between there. Still on the low end, though. Okay. I'm comfortable with that, opening up a position at 65 cents. And I can always, average cost down, or I can get that average cost per token down by adding when it's lower than that, okay? Right now it's not. Right now it's at 77 cents, so I'm just enjoying the ride right now. 50-cent Mana is good, says Stone. There you go. Yeah, 50 cents pretty good. Mike Jones, what's up, man? Yeah, no problem. VeChain's a good spec coin. I think VeChain's better than a spec, man. I really like VeChain in the future. And again, I was listening to some guys who really know the space well. Two YouTubers that I watched, they were on together yesterday. Some of you guys might know who they are. They were talking about VeChain and had a lot of positive things to say about it. They also were talking about the graph. The graph is something I'm getting more and more interested in. It's not something I want to put a ton in, but I definitely want to be invested in the graph and HBAR. HBAR, the graph, and VeChain. They talked about all three of those yesterday quite a bit. I thought that was interesting. Mana is hot, in my opinion. Yeah, man. Origin Protocol is partnered with Samsung, also big on NFT. George Francis, what's up? Trying to buy some actual Decentraland squares, but they're a few thousand for one. How about that, Johnny? That's crazy. Some of those virtual squares are going for millions, right? It's insane. LC says, I have the graph. Nice. Why does these gaming coin on the rise lately? It's interesting. Yeah, they're all kind of rising together, Michael. I don't know. I don't have a perfect answer for that, but they do seem to work together. Like when we go over to NFT here, you could see, why does this do this sometimes? Why doesn't it give me the assets sometimes, but other times it does? I don't understand that. What the heck is that? I don't want these. I don't want the collections. I want, when I hit assets, it doesn't do it. Sometimes it does. So let me relaunch this. Cryptocurrencies. No. I want the list where it says theta and all that stuff. Why does it do that? Let's see. Is Mana and Sandbox the same two virtual reality cryptocurrencies? That makes sense to me. Yeah, they are the two virtual reality. I mean, they're two of the bigger ones. There might be some others out there, but those are the two I know about. Sandbox is much cheaper, or not much cheaper now, but what is Sandbox? Actually, I forget. So Decentraland. Here, wait, let me try on this one. There we go. I don't know why. See, look at that. On this one, it does it perfectly how I wanted it to. All right, so Decentraland, here we go. 77 cents. Sandbox is what now, like 30 cents? Something like that? I don't know if I should just get into Sandbox while it's up or what. Should I wait for a pullback? Probably got to wait for a pullback. It's 51 cents. I should have got in this. I missed it. It's moved 11 cents in the last 24 hours. I totally missed this. What's the 7-day low? Where was this thing at a week ago? 25 cents, guys, 7-day low. You would have doubled your money in a week. It's 25 cents within the last week on the low end, 25 cents for Sandbox. I know some people mentioned it in the chat. You guys were right. I can't remember who mentioned it, but y'all were right. Y'all were spot on. GRT is the Google of the blockchains. I have that too in 3 days. Graph and HBAR. Stone's got them both. Both their tokenized crap. Going to dump soon. Okay. End of the bull run, XRP will be king. Anthony, huge XRP bull. Could be right, man. You could be right. You could be right. I mean, hey, man, it could definitely happen. I'm going to take my chat box out of here for a second, guys, because I'm getting a low resolution warning. So I'll just check that out so we can keep the stream rolling. Is being in the liquidity pool long term? Is being in the liquidity pool long term? Vignac, hey, how you doing? Why Bone is not listed on Coin Market? That's a good question. Maybe it will be soon, perhaps? I don't know, actually. Maybe because you can't actually... I don't know. CoinMarketCap probably just takes a while, too, because they do have Shibaswap listed on there. Anyone else have issues buying ETH on MetaMask through Wire? That's a good question. Hopefully somebody can answer it for you. I have not had experience doing that, so. Top of the morning, Josu Flores. What's up, man? Yeah, Luke, you're right. Don't let FOMO affect your trading. Yeah, this is kind of a FOMO. If I FOMO'd in right now at 51 cents, I got to wait for a pullback. I got to wait. You're right. Ken says XRP. Nice. So the sandbox, yeah, a lot of the NFTs, guys, look at that. Chili's is up a little bit. Look at Axie and Flow. So Axie's now over 1 billion market cap, too. Engine, it's catching up to Engine. You know, they were talking about Engine Coin yesterday, too. This is what I'm looking at. I definitely want to get into Engine Coin soon. Engine Coin is definitely one I want to add soon. But again, I got to wait for a pullback here. What's the 7-day low on Engine? 7-day low on Engine is $1.08. Okay, so we're right in between the 7-day low and high right now, essentially. Yeah, Engine Coin's definitely one I want to get into. I'd like to get back down in here, right? Like 90 cents. That'd have been the move right there on the 20th. But Engine allows game developers to tokenize in-game items on the Ethereum blockchain. Uses Engine as an ERC20 token to back the digital. I mean, this right here, I'm sold. This paragraph right here, sold. Engine Coin was first announced on the July 2017. It launched on the Ethereum mainnet in 2018. Yeah, I need to get an Engine for sure. It was founded in 2009 too. Yeah, Engine's NFT OGs. Yeah, I need to get in here before this thing pops again. Because where did this thing go? What's the all-time high on this? Did it get to $3? $4. It got to $4. So it's still way off the all-time high. I'm getting an Engine soon, guys. Definitely getting an Engine soon. Private Discord members, you'll hear from me soon on that when that pulls back. Of course, if you want to become a member, that link's in the chat. We'd love to have you over there. Also, guys, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Love to have you stay with us for a long time. Hit the like button here on the stream, especially if you're getting some value. What's going on with Shiba Inu? Just kind of stagnant right now, man. Let's check it. Johnny's had Eng 50 cents. Nice. Yeah, it's slightly down. Shib slightly down, 2.5%. Bully Shalom, thank you, man. Appreciate that. Thank you for the super chat, my friend. Appreciate that. Appreciate the kind words too, man. What was I looking at here? All time. Oh wait, no. We're looking at SHIB. I wanted to look at 7-day fluctuation here. 0771 is the low. So we're getting close. I mean, this isn't a terrible time to add onto your position if you wanted to, but like I'm waiting until like down in here. See like this 062. We got some support, like a really low support at the 055, but some additional support at that 0.65, 0.6 range, in there. That's when I would be adding more. Okay, so let me pull this out to a month. This is when I'd be adding to my SHIB position, guys. I'll just tell you this right up front. Let me pull up the 1 month. Okay, so see this down in here, 0.62. This is when I want to add, especially way down in here, 0.55. Look at the 1 month. So really from this point, okay, from June 22nd, we're down here at the 0.57. I mean, we've been going up since June 22nd. In reality, I mean, trading sideways a little bit. We went up, traded sideways, went down a little bit. I mean, so it is on a downward trajectory right here, but over the last few days, but nothing major. But 0.6 levels, 0.5 levels, that's when I'm looking to add more. Okay, if not, I'll just stay pat. I agree, Jermaine. You know what? I'm going to reiterate something Nut's been talking about today, and appreciate you for mentioning this, Nut, and something I always talk about. Patience is key. Long-term investing is the best approach. I know it's not the most fun. I know it's not the most sexy. I know it's not the, triumphant, hey, I beat the market today, right? But over the long term, you're going to see gains. Patience is a virtue, no question. Any new developments from Shitoshi? I haven't seen anything, but we'll go look at his Twitter page real quick. Let's see. Check my notifications here. Thanks, Luke. Appreciate that, man. Let's go see if there's anything new on Shitoshi here. Shitoshi. Jeff agrees on Eng. Yeah, I'm adding that one soon, man. John Trevino, no problem, brother. Congratulations to the winner of Shiba Token Telegram AMA. Oh, okay. So I don't mean, but since these were announced right after Shibaswap, I totally missed getting out these winnings. One of the winners mentioned how they missed out on gains, so I doubled the rewards and sent. Apologies. Oh, how about that? That's cool. Each winner received 100 million SHIB and 1 leash in full. Wow, that's pretty cool. So nothing new from Shitoshi aside from sending out those rewards to people from the AMA event. Yeah, nothing new in here. Okay. Cool. Siacoin, I like it, Crudy. Siacoin is a cool one. Let's go take a look at it. Is it still in the top 100? It was for a while there. Yeah, rank number 93, down a little bit. 1 cent. This is another one I'd like to add eventually. Let's look at where the lows and highs are in the past week. Okay, it's pretty stable. Although last 30 days, 0.007, it's moved quite a bit in the last 30 days. So let's see in the 1 month. Let's see the 1 month chart here on Siacoin. So there's a nice dip here, 0.009. Jermaine, I like that. Everybody wants a microwave mentality instead of a crock pot mentality. I like that, man. That's true. Right. Slow cook it, right? Just slow cook it. I like that. So this thing, wow, this thing was, what's the all-time high on this thing? On Siacoin? 0.11 cents, right? No. 0.01. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's 11 cents. It was set back 4 years ago, though. 4 years ago. So what's the all chart look like? Look at that. Wow. It's pretty cool. I mean, I like this idea, right? Decentralized cloud storage. It acts as a secure, trustless marketplace for cloud storage, where users can actually lease access. So they can rent it out to they can rent out their unused storage space. Agreements and transactions are done through smart contracts, and the main goal of the project is to become the backbone storage layer of the internet. I mean, I love this. It's really cool. Why it hasn't taken off more is kind of interesting to me. It's similar to Filecoin, right? And what's Filecoin doing right now? But I still like Filecoin. I like the idea. I think it's going to become more and more important. Already have SC, nice. Stone, do you have a source on that, dude? I'll talk about it. I just don't have a source. Like where do you want me to look at that, Stone? So here's Filecoin. Okay, same thing. Store humanity's most important information. Okay, however, the launch of Filecoin aims to store data in a decentralized manner, unlike cloud storage companies like Amazon. So it's a little different than the cloud storage, which are prone to problems of centralization. Filecoin leverages its decentralized nature to protect the integrity of data's location, making it easily retrievable and hard to censor. So I've got the security check right here, Stone, and we're still in progress. Let me retweet it. Or I mean, retweet it, refresh it. Still undergoing security assessments by Certik. Conduct your own due diligence before deciding to use any info listed on this page. Yeah, so we're still waiting on that, man. Hey, Yao, how you doing? Jeff Morse asking who has kids. Yeah, kids will they'll dry up your funds for investing, that's for sure. George, I heard Decentraland will be hosting Ethereum's first virtual music fest with notable artists. Really, George? That's pretty sweet. I didn't hear about that, man. That's awesome. Love it. So guys, if you're new here, hopefully you've hit the subscribe button, you join the community. We'd love to have you join. I put out a video this morning on a crypto that I just bought, has 630% upside. So definitely check that one out after you get done here at the live stream. Check out new project Swap. What do you think? Shib on Weeble. Okay. Yeah, send me a link, Stone. Send it to me on Twitter. So Shib is not on Weeble. It's just listed on Weeble. Okay. It's just listed on Weeble. It's not. Oh, Joe Rogan coin at Coin Rogan. So Joe Rogan does have a coin. Somebody sent it to me in Discord. Fat Willie, shout out to you, man. 100% community-backed deflationary meme coin for diamond-handed apes, comedians, freaks. What? That's wild. Let me bring back the box here. Hold on. There we go. So there is a Joe Rogan coin. It's Coin Rogan. Look at this. Coin Rogan. Oh my gosh, Tori, you have triplets? That's insane, man. That's cool. I have twin sisters, but triplets, man, that is rare. So here it is, the Joe Rogan coin. JoeRoganCrypto.com. Wow. That's wild. The Certik report should be out today. Yeah, a few people have said that, Power Floof. We'll see. Hopefully you're right. I hope you're right. You're welcome on that private message on Discord. Oh, I got you, Brian. That was you? Thanks, man. Thanks, brother. I was wondering who that was because people changed their names on there. I know you as Brian, so. I stopped researching, LOL, not making any money at all. Any of the ones I'm researching. Don't stop researching, though. You don't want to do that. I mean, you definitely want to continue to research and learn. But I think you're being facetious. You're being funny. Jeremy, that's good, man. That's awesome to hear. That's awesome. CoinGecko seems to have an updated coin total amount just under 1 or a half quadrillion. Soon, hopefully, the CoinMarketCap 1 will be updated too. Very cool, Everto. Appreciate that, man. In terms of the circulating supply, that's cool. So, Stone, I think you just sent me something, huh? Nope, I haven't seen anything. Jermaine, I was thinking about making my own crypto. Yeah, a lot of people can and do. It's a good time to buy SHIB on Binance. Naveed, how you doing, man? Welcome in. Is it a good time to buy SHIB? It's not a terrible time. I would, for me personally, I'm waiting. Let me get rid of the Discord here. For me personally, I'm waiting to those 06 levels to add on to my position. Right now we're at the 07 levels here, see? So I would wait till this says 06 for me personally to add on to where I'm at. But it depends on where your opening position is. David, hi Zach, do you sleep? You're always live streaming. I do sleep. I do sleep. But welcome back, David. I know you're always in here too, man. How you doing? Binance is going to be banned over here in Europe. Yeah, Garrett, I've heard a lot of crazy stuff happening with what's going on there. Yeah, so be careful if you're over on Europe using Binance. You might want to start transferring funds over to another exchange. VTH coin, I like it. It's part of VET, right? But I would rather have VET, Caitlin. What will be the total supply of bone when fully minted? It's a good question. I don't think we know yet. It is a fixed number. Farhan, maybe somebody else knows this. I've heard of it, the fixed supply, but I can't remember what the heck it was. So maybe somebody has it. Guys, hit the like button for us real quick. It takes 2 seconds, not even. It's totally free. Let's get up over 300 likes. I think we can do that. All right. Let's get up over 300 likes in the next couple minutes. Tony, what's up, man? Marty, how we doing? Lethal Leighton, why should I invest when pirates seem to be controlling the crypto by holding company info? Listen, man, there's always going to be market manipulation, but you should invest in crypto now and hold it for the long term because you're going to win in the end, my friend. Mike Jones, the 107K supply, that's the leash supply. That's not, I don't think that's the bone supply. Okay, Wilfredo says 250 million. Is that what the bone supply is? Good morning, Luis. How you doing? Shib Elite, my bank has already said they will not transfer to Binance in the UK now. Wow. So it's already starting. Will Shiba be like ETH? Well, Shiba is an ERC20 token, so it runs on the Ethereum blockchain. But it's not going to be like ETH in terms of like market cap or anything. But it's aimed to be an Ethereum-based counterpart to Dogecoin's, basically Dogecoin's kind of pegged to Bitcoin. Okay. Ooh, look at this. They're talking about the other Inus. Shiba Inu and the SHIB token are part of a swarm of dog-themed cryptocurrencies. Baby Doge, Jindu Inu, Alaska Inu, and Alaska Malamute token. Starbucks time. Nice, Tony. Which coins you recommend to start a portfolio? Beginner. It's Dolce. Welcome, man. We're happy to have beginners. So if you're a beginner, man, let me tell you a few things. So as I'm pulling this up, I'll tell you which ones you should be invested in. Okay, if you're a beginner, you should be getting into things like Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin first. I think every portfolio should have those three. And once you get those three, and you don't have to have full tokens. I think it's a good place to start. Okay, having all three of those. All right, so but there's a video I did. It's not showing right now because I'm live on here. But there's a video that I did that I'd like for you to go check out if you're new. Okay, and I'm going to show it to you right here. I got to go back a little bit. So if you're completely new to crypto and you're just getting started, there's a couple I'd would want you to check out. This one, long-term crypto success. And guys, this is a good one for everybody. This is speaking about long-term. This is a video I did, investing in cryptocurrency long-term crypto success. And I give you 10 reasons why you should think long-term with crypto and really in all investing, okay? So that's a video I would go check out right there. And then there's another one. Oh, right here. DeFi and crypto explained in 10 minutes. So if you're somebody new to the channel, somebody new to DeFi and crypto, these two videos right here. DeFi and crypto explained in 10 minutes. Long-term crypto success. I should probably start another playlist like beginner, like crypto beginner. That's actually a pretty good idea. And probably do more videos like that. But let's see here. What else do we got? So there you go. It's Dolce. Hopefully those two videos help you out. I think they will. John, Zach, what up? Been watching and following you. Watched your Crow vid and was only able to afford to buy 1,100 versus 5,000. That's cool, man. John, that's good. That's still good. And I think that's awesome, man. Mike Jones, Crypto for Dummies. Yeah, a lot of people do videos like that, and I wanted to do a few too, so. I'm a beginner also. Nice. I started with Shiba Inu as my holding crypto, and BTC ETH for daily trading is a good idea. BTC and ETH for long-term holding. That's what I do. Long-term holding. Go check out this video. It's going to be really helpful for you. Okay. Where is it? Also, guys, that B word event coming up July 21st. This is a video that I hasn't got a lot of traction on the channel, but I think it's a really good one. Go check that out. I think it's going to be big for crypto. Okay, long-term crypto success. Definitely go see that if you're new. Okay. Okay, guys. How about let's try something like this. Let's do something cool with this SHIB calculator. Tell me how much SHIB that you have. Okay, I want you to put this all in one comment. How much SHIB do you have, and what's your exit strategy? So what's your price where you're going to take profits? Okay, and if it's not USD, tell me which currency you're working with. So tell me how much SHIB you're holding, and what's your exit strategy, and we're going to see what's the difference to the current price, and what the market cap would have to be, and what your total value would be if you cash out then. Okay, so put that in there. Put your total amount you're holding and your exit strategy, and we'll have a little bit of fun with that. I think that'll be cool. Jay Garcia, appreciate that, man. Thank you everybody out there. Seriously, very, very humbled that everyone has decided to stop by this channel. I know there's a lot of content out there to pick from, and the fact that you've chosen this channel and have been here for a little while, it's really awesome, and I'm humbled by it. And just know that I'm going to continue to produce content and make better and better content as time goes on. And I've been telling the Patreon members this too. I'm going to continue to add more and more to that private community. I'm going to keep adding different things to. So if you have suggestions for me, if you're a member and you have suggestions, use that Discord channel. Let me know what you want more of, and I'm going to do my best to produce and provide more value. Okay. Okay, Stone sent not okay. It's somewhere above. I'm trying to find it. Stone, where did you put it in here? Okay, gotcha. I think I got it. But yeah, guys, still send me your exit strategy. We'll do that with the SHIB calculator if you want to do that. All right, so I'm pulling up Stone's tweet. Shiba Inu devastating fails at DeFi safety score. Okay, so it's on the Reddit. All right, we'll take a look at that, Stone. We will take a look at that. All right, so 8.5. Okay, wait, 14 million. So you got to tell me your exit strategy. 150 mil. 22 billion with no exit. I like it. I'm keeping 1.2 billion SHIB tokens in a wallet on Binance. But being banned in the future, shall I put tokens on a hardware? I would definitely move them out of there, Garrett. Yeah. Definitely get them out of Binance. All right, so I've got one here. Let's go over and do this. So 500 mil. 500 mil. So 500. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 500 million. And exit strategy at 0.005. Okay, so this is your exit strategy. You're going to have 2.5 million if and when it gets to this point. It's going to be a 63% increase from where it is right now. The market cap will have to be 1.9 trillion in order to get to this. Okay, which it's a lot, but if you're planning on holding, that's what you're looking at with current price, current total tokens, all that sort of stuff. 20 mil goal 0.01. Okay. 20. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. And we've got a 0.01. Okay. So here's what you're looking at. You're looking at a $3.9 trillion market cap, 126,000% increase, and you would make $200,000 on that investment. Okay. So there you go. Okay. Thank you for your guidance. Money to the moon. Yes. Everto, how? Okay, okay, exit is 10 mil. Joshua, that's hilarious. Come on now. 10 mil SHIB 0.01. Okay, 10, 1, 2. Oops, maybe. Oh, Tony, I think that's you, Tony. Appreciate the super chat, dude. I'm going right to you. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And 0.01, there you go. You'd have 100,000, 126%, 3.9 trillion right there. 300 mil, 10-cent exit. 300. Let's see, 300, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 300 mil, and a 10-cent exit strategy. Wow. Okay, so you're gonna need the market cap to be 39 trillion, which I'm not sure it can get there. Okay, but if it does, you're gonna have $30 million. You're gonna need this thing to increase 1,270,548% from where we're at now. SHIB Commander. 22 billion with no. Nice. Let's see. Keep it in there for 5 years. 1 billion exit. Okay, let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, 1 billion. And exit strategy. Wait, where did that go? Exit strategy was 0.005, I think it was. So this is feasible. Okay. Wait, did I do that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you'd have 5 million here. 63%. 63,000% increase on the 0.005. Now, if you did 0.0005, now you're looking at 500,000. That's only $197 billion market cap. What if you did 0.0001? Now you're looking 39 billion. This is feasible. We were at 13.5. Like, we could start to see this. Like, okay, that's why I like this 0.0001 for some type of exit strategy, especially if you're holding a lot. So let's say you're holding 20 billion, right? 20, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you can make $2 million needed to get to a $39 billion market cap with 20 billion here. 0.0001 would be a good exit strategy, I think. Make 2 mil. So let me go back because Tony, I missed your super chat, man. Have 123 million. Okay, so let's do 1, 2, 3, 1. Thanks for the super chat, man. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 123 million. Holding at least till 2025. When it hits 0.01, taking 10%. When it hits 0.01, taking 10%. Hoping to have 20. Okay, so 0.01. Okay, you would take 10% of 1.2 million, so you'd have 120,000, right? All right, so hold on. Let me make sure. So this is, you're going to take 10%. Total value would be 1,230,000.00 times 0.10. Yep. So you're going to take 123,000. Hoping to have, okay. So yeah, when it hits 0.01, you're going to take 10% out. Your 10% gains would be 123,000. Tony. I have a question. T-Dog, what's up, man? When you have paired and wolf and minting, how long is the wolf, and do you ever get your pairs back? What is the timeline for the wolf? Okay, so let's go and look at that. I don't know exactly, T-Dog. I appreciate the super chat, but we're going to get an answer for you. So guys, if you guys can help T-Dog out, he did give a super chat. So when you have paired in wolf and minting, how long is the wolf? And do you ever get your pairs back? And what is the timeline for the wolf? So let's bounce over to Shibaswap. Let's take a look here. So guys, if you guys have an answer to T-Dog, please let me know ASAP. But we're going to try to figure this thing out for you, man. Appreciate the super chat, too. I'm going to start woofing and selling this coming bull run. I'm currently woofing 1 bone a day. John Leo says he's buying the tasty dips. That's why they better get in now. Gilbert. All right, Gilbert, I'll come back to you, brother. Why doesn't Shibaswap load? That's crazy. It's still backed up. Look at this. Can't load it. All right, here we go. Wolf. So, when you have paired in wolf and minting, how long is the wolf, and do you ever get the pairs back? When you deposit or withdraw your SSOP, all of your pending bone for that pool will be wolfed automatically. So, in order to claim your dig returns, you must deposit your Shibaswap liquidity provider tokens into an allocated pair box. During the time token is deposited, returns are accrued in real time. Remember, you can claim 33% instantly. 67% is locked for 6 months. So when you've paired in wolf and minting, how long is the wolf, and do you ever get your pairs back? T-Dog, I wish I had an answer for you, man. I'm not. Maybe they haven't even given us that information yet. That's a really good question. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's see if somebody has it. Let's be honest. Do you really believe it will go to 0.005? I have 90 million, about to add more, but now I'm questioning if we will ever have another catalyst. Josh, thanks for the super chat, and I'm going to come back to you, T-Dog, in a minute. Dude, listen, I think you've got to be patient. This 0.05 or 0.01 number, if it's going to happen, it's going to be 3 to 5 years down the road. So you've got to be willing to wait. You've got to be patient. That's rule number 1. Number 2, we are going to have more positive catalysts. You just got to be patient. It might not be tomorrow. It might not be next month. I mean, I think we're going to have Coinbase here within a month, I would think. I would be shocked if we didn't have it in the next 2 weeks. I'd be shocked, okay? But you got to be patient. You've got 90 million now. Well, like, what's your exit strategy, right? So if you've got 90 million, all right, so 90, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, you got 90. If you wait till 0.01, that's 900,000. And you want to wait till 0.005, it looks like, right? Okay, so here you go. You're waiting until 0.005. You're going to need it to be a $1.9 trillion market cap. That's going to be a while. That's going to be a long time, considering the overall crypto market is what? The overall crypto market right now is less than that, 1.3 trillion. Okay, let me pull this down over here. All right, so that's overall is 1.3 trillion. This is 1.9 trillion alone. This is just Shiba Inu. Now, of course, this is the current, situation with this current, amount of tokens in the circulating supply and all that. It could change, right? As more things are staked, if we have a burning event somehow, right? Things could change. But I mean, here's the thing though. If your exit strategy, was 0.0005, now you're looking at 197 billion. All right, how about 0.0001? I like this one because this is feasible. 39 billion. Okay, $39 billion market cap. Like, we see assets right here. Like, you would be sandwiched in between Cardano and XRP, right? Like today. Now, as the whole crypto market, passes, this is 1.440 trillion, it's going to rise, right? It's probably going to rise, I don't know by how many multiples per year, but all these assets are going to rise, at least at the top here. And the overall market's going to go up, okay? So that number will go up, but now you're looking at 9,000. Depending on how much money you put in, I don't know, your ROI is still probably great on that. Because you got 90 million. I know you didn't pay 9,000. But this is the type of stuff you got to consider. Because this could happen next year, 0.00. Do you just take your gains then? Or are you going to be super, super patient and wait until this spot, right? So, or you take some, right? You take here, maybe you take your initial investment out, right? How much money do you have in with your 90 mil? Maybe you have, I don't know. Maybe you've got, oh wait, actually guys, I should be doing this for you. Hold on one sec. So here, we can cover up the price because that really doesn't matter. Let me do that. Okay, so there, now you can see better. Okay, so now you can see the market cap at the target price. All right. So if you do this, you take out your initial investment. Say you have, I don't know, say you spent $300 to get your 90 million. And then maybe you just want to take 1,000 out. All right, so now you're up $700 no matter what. And then you just let it ride, right? So that's what the kind of stuff you got to be considering. Let's see. Hello, if only Wolf is available for as long as you have your pairs in. Okay, Victor's got an answer for you, T-Dog. Wolf is available for as long as you have your pairs in. You can wolf 33% every week. You can get your pairs back anytime. So there you go. Pairs back anytime. Wolf 33% every week. Victor, appreciate you, man. Thank you. That's what this community is all about. Helping each other. And again, I don't have all the answers, but somebody else in our community will. So that's what we're all about. By the way, Stony, you had a good tip. You're not quite understanding the wolf frequency. So hopefully that answers a lot of people's questions on woofing. Okay. All right, let me catch up in chat here. There is no way to unwoof. Okay, so T-Dog says there's no way to unwoof. Your rewards get locked for 6 months. You can non-pair at any time. That's what Lawrence is saying. I do not know the Alice token, huh? Shiba Discord is invalid. Anyone have it? No. I don't really go on it. It's too crazy for me. It's all over the place. I'd rather be in our private Discord. That's why I keep 3 mil in my wallet and let it build. Nice. Guys, if you haven't already, hit the like button for us. Helps us out tremendously. This has been a great morning. I'm still feeling pretty good, so if you want me to keep rolling here, if you want to hang out for a little while, let's get up to 350 likes. I'm putting the heat on, putting the pressure on. We got to get to 350 if we want to keep this thing rolling. Shiba Discord, you can find it right through the website, man. Right on shibatoken.com. Let's see. Am I the only crazy one to have 1.2 billion Shiba? Let's go. No, people have it, man. People are with you. Mina at another good price. Mufadel Hussein, I'm not gonna show your comment, but okay, yeah, Steve's got it. But yeah, man, basically, you want it to $1, dude. I mean, you just can't. It doesn't happen like that, man. Money doesn't grow on trees, right? Has anybody heard that song? Right? Money doesn't grow on trees, and I got bills to pay. I got mouths to feed. Money doesn't grow on trees. It's not how it works, man. You can't just be like, poof, it's $1. It doesn't happen. Keep an eye on Alice. Okay, we'll do. Hey, Karen, can we be able to mine Shiba Inu? But people are trading on Alice. Let's go for a longer stream. Hit the like button. Yeah, Brian, let's do it. I just want it to double in price just to get some hope. It could definitely double in price, right? So where is it now? 0.00007. So this would have to be like 0.000. Wait, how many zeros are that? 3, 5. So there's 1, 2, 3. So it'd have to be like looking like that. It'd be like that. That would be like a double, essentially, right? So, you know, if you're holding, let's go with our 100 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you're looking at an 89% increase. Okay. We'd have to be a $5.8 billion market cap to double from here. 5.8. Where are we at now? Currently, we're at 3.1. Let's see how that racks up with this number here. Shib, yeah, just under 3.1 here on CoinMarketCap. We've been here though before. Okay, so here let's put in like near the all-time high, right? So we were right in here somewhere. 13.7. We've been here before. We were at a $13.5 billion market cap before. So it's possible. It's possible. We could definitely get back to this level. And if we had 100 million SHIB tokens, it'd be worth 3,400. Okay. If we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this would be 1 billion SHIB tokens. Okay. We're looking at 34,000. 1 billion SHIB tokens, get back to around all-time highs. What are all-time highs? I think it's like 34, or was it 38? Let me see. We'll go to all-time highs. 388 actually. Okay. So let's do, it was something like that. Let's put a 0 here. So there you go. We actually got as high almost as a $15 billion market cap. So there you go. Sin, what's up, man? Any news on SHIB, Coinbase, Robinhood, or Webull? No, Nicole. Coinbase will be up first, and I think they're going to do it after Certik completes the audit. I think that's what's going on here more than anything now, because like, what could be the technical difficulties? I mean, let's be honest here. What the heck's going on, right? I mean, this is what I think. I think once the Shibaswap audit is done, that's when I'm thinking, you know, that's when I'm thinking we'll see it. All right, so what's this going on here? Stone sent me this a while back. Let's see. Let's check this out. Let's see. Reddit. So Shiba Inu devastatingly fails in DeFi safety score, yet its DEX locks in 1.5 billion in a day. The more I read about the more. So a lot of people saying this is crazy because of the low score. People locked up so much money. Again, on this channel, we tell it like it is. We cover things straight. The good, the bad, the ugly. We talk about it. And this is a black cloud right now. This is a black cloud. This score that they got, I want to see what Certik comes back and says. But basically, this is just a Reddit stream here. So Let's see. TVL is a metric. Blah, blah, blah. Crazy that the TVL was 1.5 billion. You compare that to like Shibaswap or Uniswap or SushiSwap, night and day. Security concerns. Despite the impressive starting TVL of Shiba DEX, DeFi experts raised concerns over the safety of the project. The DeFi Safety, which reviews the process and transparency of crypto projects, gave the protocol a score of just 3%, which is far too low compared with DEX projects such as Loopring, which has a score of 82%, Genosis, which has a score of 91%, and Banker with a score of 96%. Okay, so that's what we're referring to here with the security concerns. And this is something to be concerned about. I'm not going to deny this. You know, this is something. You know, if somebody were to say, "Hey, this is why I don't have my money locked up in the swamp," I understand it. Now, do I think that this is going to be a rug pull? No, I don't. I believe in the project long term. I'm a long-term holder. All we have at our disposal is what the dev team has said to us, and we've got to put our trust in them. I mean, now, this is also why I'm not going all in on just one asset, okay? This is a very small percentage of my portfolio. I've got 65 million tokens. I'm just going to tell you how it is. That's where I'm at, okay? And same thing with Dogecoin. I own Dogecoin, but I'm not all in because I understand kind of the tokenomics and how that's set up, or maybe not the tokenomics, but in terms of the top 10% owning so much of that, right? If they decide to sell off, that price could plummet. And I understand that. I'm willing to take that risk. Shiba Inu, similar situation. I'm willing to take the risk. I'm putting the trust into Shitoshi. So, Shitoshi, if you're listening, you know, there's a lot of people out there that trust you. So do the right thing. And listen, I mean, people are going to put articles out like this no matter what, right? They're gonna try to spread FUD no matter what, just because, you know, they got to give something, you know, something for somebody to talk about. Okay, that's kind of how I feel about it. So whenever I see stuff like this, I don't try to buy into it all the way, but I don't try to ignore it all the way. I just take it for what it is, right? And just have a balanced judgment on all the information you get. That's it. That's all you can do. Okay. So Stone, I appreciate you bringing this up, and that's what we do on the channel. We address it, whether it's good, bad, or indifferent. We're going to address it, and that goes for all cryptos, right? But this is one big step. I mean, this would help squash some of that FUD right here if we get a nice audit report back from Certik. I mean, I think once we get this back, then we look at Coinbase, okay? Then we look at Coinbase. I think they'll add the asset then. That's at least what I think will happen. Started investing in crypto May 31, have 22K among 6 cryptos. Learned a lot so far and just subbed today. Thanks for the streams. Long bed GTs, man. Welcome. Welcome, man. How far the TVL has gone down, we'll take a look at that real quick here. TVL is 1.46 billion, so it's been hovering there for a little while. Bone's still at $4.93. Leash at 2,100. Shib a little bit below that 08 level. So, yeah, anybody new here, welcome. Hopefully you subscribed, join the community for good. Happy to have you here. Happy to have you in. Let's see here. Shib Elite. I wonder if banks are funding the DeFi Safety project. That's a good. Yeah, you don't know who's backing DeFi Safety, and I don't either. I'd have to do some more digging to see, you know, what's the agenda. That's the question you got to ask. And this goes for all information out there, everywhere, anywhere and everywhere. What's the agenda? Where's the money? Follow the money. Who's backing this outlet? Where's the money? And you'll learn a lot from, you know, how they're angling stories. Oh, okay, they want this narrative. Oh, they want to craft it this way. Oh, they want to make these people look bad. Oh, they want to make, you know, this group look bad. So you can learn a lot from that, and you start getting, you start being an independent thinker of all, you know, as you absorb all this information. When you start parsing out all of the BS. Oh, I know what this group's doing. I know what this group's doing. You know what I mean? So that's a really good point. And that's a big question you got to ask all the time when you're reading articles about anything, crypto or non. What's up? What's up, everyone? Everybody that's new, AP, Han, what's up? Really surprised we didn't eat another zero after Shibaswap. Yeah, it was looking like that day that it got released that we would, right? We got to like the 9.5 level and just kind of capped out. But I think we'll definitely eat a zero with Coinbase. Yes, you can invest in Shiba Inu. Yeah, there's a bunch of exchanges that haven't. I'm with you, Stone. Me too, man. Will it be too late to buy Shiba Inu next month? Professor Kubinski, what's up, man? From one professor to another. Listen, that's a tough question. I think by next month you're probably going to have Coinbase, and I think that's going to boost the price up. I do. So I would look to get in sometime before the Coinbase news. So I'd be watching the Certik very closely because I think this is just my opinion here, but I think after the audit's done at Certik, then I think Coinbase moves pretty quickly. Let's go check on Coinbase actually and see if they've said anything. I don't think they've said anything. The day that Certik done with Shibaswap, we're going to the moon. Too many PEP and exchanges want to buy more Shiba when Certik is done. I think, Osama, I'm with you, man. I think that's a big first step. But look at this. I mean, Coinbase has been so quiet. They haven't said anything since June 24th. I mean, like, they don't say anything on here. How about Shibarium, Shi, and Treat? Yeah, all good future catalysts for Shib Commander. All good future catalysts for sure. But I think real big catalyst, in my opinion, again, I think Shibarium, Shi, and Treat, that's more so for people already in the ecosystem. The new investors, what are they going to buy? They're going to buy Shiba Inu, man. New investors are going to buy Shiba Inu. New investors aren't going to come in and be like, oh, I got to get my Treat tokens. They're not going to know what the heck that is. We're going to know because we've been in the ecosystem the whole time. Right? We're going to know what Shi is and the stable coin and how it works within the system because we've been here. You know what I mean? But new investors, they're going to come in, they're going to want SHIB. That's the asset they're going to hear about. That's the asset that's the most popular. You know what I mean? That's the one that they're going to want. So, to me, that's why new exchanges adding SHIB is the best way to boost this price right now. We need new money in here. So, but you're right. I mean, the future plans with Shibarium, which is the layer 2 blockchain for Ethereum, the native token on there will be Bone. You're going to get help from Polygon, who's going to build that, so we hear. And then the Shi, the stable coin, the fork token will be Treat, which is supposed to come out here after the swap. I think they'll start talking about the Treat token shortly after July 20th, which is the night they're going to host the event. It'll be the end of the 14-day liquidity event. We'll know more about the APY that people are going to earn when they're staking. So I think we're going to get that Treat news after all that happens, in my opinion. It'll come out after that. And then they're going to shift their attention to Shibarium and Shi. Okay? But, yeah, I mean, could they be all catalyst? Yes. They all could be some form of catalyst. But this, to me, Coinbase Pro, moving then to Coinbase, that and Robinhood, right now, in my opinion, are the two biggest catalysts. Because you're going to open this thing up to a very, very wide audience. Crypto Maniac, what's up, man? Is holding Shiba token for the long term? Yes. Lonell Taylor, I'm holding Shiba token for the long term, man. Always. Everything I buy pretty much is for the long term. There's only been a few things this year that I've flipped. I flipped Stellar, XLM, and I might get back into Stellar. But I flipped Stellar for a bunch of Polygon. Made a little bit of money on it real quickly. And I flipped some Doge, but I'm still in it long term. But I flipped some Doge right at the top at the during the SNL event. Those are the only two swing trades I've made all year. All year. The only two swing trades in crypto I've made all year. And there's a bunch of people out there that'll tell me I'm crazy, that I could be making more money swing trading. And you know what? They're probably right. They're probably right. But I sleep better at night. I keep my emotions in check. I don't have to look at you know, the hour by hour charts and see when I got to make a trade. And I don't want to invest like that. I want to buy things low, sell them high years from now. That's my style. So, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. I mean, you can make money both ways, combining both methods. There's all different kinds of way to do this whole thing. But that's just my philosophy. It's hard to time the market, man. It's hard to time the market, and you're going to lose a lot more battles swing trading than you're going to win. And if you haven't lost a lot more than you've won swing trading, I'd like to see proof of that. I'd like to see proof of that because I don't know too many people who can have more success swing trading than failure. I mean, it's hard. There's some people who do it, I'm sure, but you know. Okay, I flipped some for Poly and Ada also. Nice. XLM. I like Stellar. I might get back into it, right? I might get back into it, but do you have any thoughts on APL coin? No thoughts on APL. I'm not even sure what APL coin is, actually. Let's take a look at it, though. APL. Not L. APL. Apollo currency. Whoa. It's up 68%, rank 381. What is this? Apollo currency. Never heard of it. Sarah said, I lost a lot swing trading. Yeah, Sarah, you're not alone. And Sarah, what did you learn from that? What did you learn from swing trading? Probably not do it anymore, right? Claims to not suffer from blockchain sustainability, such as blockchain bloat. Okay, it's a unique in that its transaction speed is 1 to 2 seconds. What makes this unique though? Like I don't know. Sarah, what did you learn? Long term. Yep. Yep. Phantom, welcome. Welcome. Hopefully you're subscribed and you're joining our community. So Apollo currency I have not staked my Shiba Inu, by the way. Not yet. I might still. We'll see. Apollo was built with the rigorous demands of genuine mass adoption in mind, and it has proven its capabilities through its proprietary mass adoption technologies. Apollo FinTech's vision is to provide every mainstream feature on one sustainable platform. Huh. World's fastest cryptocurrency with a sustainable blockchain. So basically, their big solution was transaction speed. First to launch sharding. Wow, Apollo. They were the first to launch sharding? Are they just claiming that, or were they really the first to launch it? World's fastest cryptocurrency. World's most feature-rich. Powerful dApps. This looks pretty legit. National payment platform. This is definitely one I got to do some more digging into, though. Apollo. Guys, yeah, look at this. It's less than 1 cent. Look at this. It's up 72%. 72% in the 24-hour period. Here you go. How high has this thing gone? All-time high got to 5 cents. So it's actually 8 months ago. It's 95% off its all-time high still. So, yeah, there's one to check out, guys. Apollo, rank 381. Definitely one to look into. Thank you for that one. Honest opinions needed. Shib versus Baby Doge. I'm going Shib over Baby Doge. Cryptomaniac. But like, here's the thing. Baby Doge is one that like I wouldn't hate it if you wanted to throw a little bit at it. Like, yeah, I've heard of Baby Doge, Geo. Like, if you wanted to throw a little bit at it, I wouldn't hate it. Like that and SafeMoon to me, they're ones that I'm not invested in. But like, I wouldn't hate it if somebody said, "Hey, I'm throwing $100 into Baby Doge and $100 into SafeMoon and seeing what happens." If you have it, like, I mean, However, like if you want to play it safe, like take that $200 and buy Cardano at 133, or I mean even a safer play, buy XRP at 62 cents, buy Dogecoin at 21. But if you're looking for those like meteoric gains and you want to throw 100 or 200 even at Baby Doge, I don't hate it. I wouldn't do it yet personally, but I wouldn't hate it. Like if I had $200 right now, and I knew that I was going to let that $200 sit, you know, until I don't know 5 years from now, you know, I'd probably get Cardano with that $200, to be honest. You know, or Polygon, or split it like 100 Polygon ADA, something like that. What's up, Lisa? How you doing? AP, what's happening? Marty, Zach, and Stone, I ain't. Every time I hear. Okay. Wait until 10x bones hit rewards. Will be a switcher. Crypto Mania, I bought 1,000 Doge last night. Nice. Thoughts on FEG? That's one I just haven't done enough digging on, Daniel. I know it's got a decent community, though. Baby Doge, most people are getting it on PancakeSwap, Jermaine. Who is working already with Shibaswap? Marcos, I don't think anybody. What do you mean, working? What do you mean? Sin loves his Baby Doge. Yeah, there's a few people in the private Discord. Sin is in our private Discord, in our private community. He's in on Baby Doge. Sandbox going nuts. Yeah, still. We talked about it early on in the stream. Sandbox and Decentraland. Brian, he's got Baby Doge. So there they are. Two guys in our private Discord. Brian has got some Baby Doge as well as Sin, SYN. Yeah, Sandbox up 26%. Love it. But Mana should be right up there too, right? I'm pretty sure Mana's right up there. At least it was a little bit ago. This is one I own. Mana. Yeah, look at that. Mana's up 18%. 77 cents right now. Tony, thanks, man. Join the Patreon, $20 a month, constant growth portfolio. Thank you, Tony. Appreciate that, man. Thank you for the super chat, brother. Appreciate you. Yeah, guys, Patreon is linked up above in the chat. So if you're interested in checking that out, come on over with us. And here's a little snippet of what you get. Here's supporter level, insider level. We'd love to have you over. I truly think our Patreon is a different type of group. I truly think it's different. I've only been in a couple other Discord groups. We've got something really special brewing, and I've got a video coming out on our Patreon group. In case you're wondering what it looks like a little bit more in detail, that video is going to be coming out here in about a half hour. So check that out if you want to know kind of what our Discord's all about, what our Patreon group's all about. And I might actually move it up to 11:45 because I think we're going to close out this stream in just a couple minutes, guys. It's been a ton of fun. We're coming up on 2.5 hour stream, so thank you all so much. I'll hang out here for a few minutes as I say my goodbyes. As always, super grateful for all of you out there. If you're new, you haven't liked the stream, do that real quick. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, do that. Also, if you're new or a returner, hit that notification bell. There's been a lot of weird things going on, people not getting notified. Hit that notification bell, select all notifications, okay? Select all notifications on that notification bell, and so that way you know exactly every time we put out another video. So yeah, thank you all so much for stomping by. Had some fun today. Looked at the SHIB calculator, looked at the swamp, went over Certik. This is the big one. You know, once we get this Certik audit figured out, then I start to imagine we get something from Coinbase. Okay, that's what I think. Went over a lot of new projects today. Took a look at a bunch of things that are up, like Decentraland, one of my personal favorites. And yeah, it was a ton of fun as always. Move this down back to the bottom right into my corner over there. Boom. All right. So thank you all so much. Have a great weekend. Have a great Saturday. 420 Wilder World. Zach, could be the new Decentraland. We'll take a look. Wilder World. Okay, T-Dog, I'll definitely look into that, man. Thank you. Thank you for that. And T-Dog and everybody else who sent a super chat, thank you all so much. I appreciate that tremendously. That's an honor. It's an honor to do this and have some fun with it. And I'm going to continue to make it better and better, and with the help of everybody out there. So you guys are awesome. Victor World. Wild. Okay. Victor World. I'm writing that down, Stone. I'm going to take a look at that. I might be doing a video on AXS soon. Right? Because this thing is still... Where is it at right now? Axie Infinity. Yeah, it's still up pretty big. Victor World. Victor World. And the ticker is WILD. Great ticker symbol, huh? All right, y'all. Take care. It's been a pleasure as always. It's always fun. Have a great day, Alan. Take care, Sin. See you later. See you in the private Discord, Sin. Tillery. All right, homie. Take care. Marcos, nice to meet you. Yeah, Marcos. No problem, man. Hopefully hit the subscribe button and come back with us. See you, Tony. Have a blessed one, man. I hear you, Steve. See you guys. Take care. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Check out that Patreon video coming up next if you want some more insight, more information on that.